It's a 2006 Saturn Ion I've been working on since the 4th of July, a little bit past that. And I was having a problem with a no start, no crank. But after the car warmed up for about 30 minutes in the morning, after those 30 minutes, it would shut off and I would have to wait a couple minutes and then it would start again, but it would shut off within a couple minutes. Now, I was breaking my head all the time looking for shorts. I undid all this wiring here and couldn't find anything. I took everything apart back here, couldn't find anything. Then what I found out, it was well, I couldn't get any codes from the OBD2 scanner, so I just finally gave up, and I'm like, well, I'm gonna go buy a computer at the junkyard. So I went, got a computer. I got this one here with the two plugs, and it didn't work out. So then I went and got this one, and it didn't work out. So when I put this one on here, it burned out my ignition control module, so it started missing. So what I did, I went to a different junkyard and I picked up this one, and I picked this little one up, and then I got this one, the body control module. So after I installed all these three from the same vehicle, I had to go back and then do the bypass on the key, ignition key. And after that, well, it's been running for 30 minutes. Everything's working fine. So if you have that problem about the car starting and shutting off, that's one of the things. Otherwise, it could be the ignition pass lock here. And there's also another video on YouTube on how you could just cut a white wire down here and go past that. Oh, and by the way, I also changed the ignition switch on it.